got some goodies today from ECS Tuning that are going to go on that girl. So let's see what we got in the box. That giant box, and this was all that was in it. I guess at least it was packed good. So let's see what we got here. So first thing, I have this Black Forest Industries shift knob. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I don't know if this will actually go on for Dubs at the Gap, mainly because I want to pick up a shift boot, and I'm still considering doing the short shift kit for my car. So likely this will be a winter project, but no, this is really nice. This is an ECS exclusive knob, and what kind of drawed me to this knob, I like the red accenting. That's kind of been my theme with the car, is just little red accents everywhere, so super excited about that. Some other stuff here, wrapping up the engine bay. I picked up some of the billet caps for the car. Pull this out. This is the washer cap. Super nice. That's engraved and everything. That's a really nice piece. Has good weight to it. I believe there's another cap in here, actually. Can kind of see it, and we'll check this out later when it's actually on the car. But I have the coolant overflow also in billet aluminum, the matching piece. And looks like some various hardware in this bag. I'm not sure what this will be for then, so figure that out. This box right here is their car. This is from ECS as well, actually. These are carbon fiber rear spats. I'll actually show you where these are going to go in the car. So coming back here, they're actually going to mount right along the rear bumper here. Super nice pieces. Real carbon fiber. Actually, really nice pieces. Super pumped about those. Those are gonna go on there like that. That's gonna be awesome. And then finally, we have the ECS carbon fiber strut tower brace. I am really excited about this. It looks like it's actually packaged up pretty good. So yeah, that's everything. I'm hoping to have most of the stuff on here before Dubs at the Gap. So we'll see if we can get these on the car. All right, let's go ahead and throw these caps on. So got this windshield cap here. Should just pop right off, and then the billet one, I believe, just clips right on. Go ahead and throw it on there. That's nice. That looks a lot better. And we got the coolant overflow cap here. This should just twist off. In the package here. These are really nice pieces. They're a little expensive, but definitely worth the price tag. Engraved and everything. It's sick. Look at that. It just twists right on. Nice. Locks into place. That's sick. Really nice pieces. Josh is showing up late.
Oh, there he is.
Par the course. There he is. It ain't a night if Josh doesn't show up late. Got Andrew over here. Changing oil.
Getting oil all over your garage floor.
I'm going to be throwing these carbon fiber spats on here. I have everything pretty much ready to go. I'm thinking I'm going to double side these on, get them where I want them placed, and then they included some self-tapping screws. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down with some IPA and get it all cleaned up and get these stuck on.
You say what you doing today?
I don't remember what I'm doing.
You just brought the RS4 here.
Yeah. So
plan.
we got some sick new stuff for the RS4. We got a brand new from Germany, overnight parts from Germany, carbon fiber engine covers for the RS4. So they're in that nice little box over there from our friends at ECS. Got that shipped from Germany. So
shout out ECS.
yep. So we're gonna be putting those on, kind of test fitting them. see what they look like. My carbon is kind of destroyed, so it's going to be awesome.
We have the A5 getting some new carbon goodies.
So, you want to talk about carbon? Whew. Carbon fiber king over here.
Got less than a week till we take off.
This brace here, strut tower brace.
What brand is it?
This is ECS.
That's ECS as a brand.
Yep, ECS strut tower brace is in a mount right there, and then I'm going to be attaching these brackets. So, we'll figure out how that goes. There's a line that's zip tied on here. We're going to need to cut that zip tie.
Okay.
Because the actual mount goes here. And then something that ECS actually advertises that my car doesn't have is there's supposed to be a bolt here. My car does not have that. So
Yeah, there's a little indentation for it too.
So we're gonna see how it mounts up without that. And then on the driver's side, it basically mounts up on the negative battery terminal. So we'll see how that goes, and then we'll get everything on the car and then come back off. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this bracket kind of sits on here and what bolts it's gonna line up with. So it's gonna tuck underneath this. So it's gonna line up there. We'll have to obviously loosen that, and then where you can see up here, this is where there's supposed to be I believe it's like a threaded piece that comes up. Unfortunately, my car doesn't have that, so we're going to see how it mounts up without that, and then worst case, we will drill our own hole.
Drill and top it.
Yep.
Create our own. Should be simple, real straightforward.
So here's the old ones. As you can see, those have seen some things.
Yeah.
It should just pop
They
up.
pop right off, yeah. And there's little grommets in there, so be careful.
Yeah.
Because sometimes the grommets can pop off. Yeah. There's two little grommets. It looks like we might be missing one.
Wasn't on here.
Yeah. So I think we're missing one.
I just ordered a new one.
Yeah, I have the part number because one of the guys from the RS4 group chat I'm in actually had the same issue. So we actually found them.
I'm not gonna snap her in.
Yeah, we'll just kind of test fit it here.
Yeah, I'll
do
let you test fit.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna mess up your part.
Nah, you're good, man. I know how to do it. It goes down like a certain way.
I'd say don't press it in.
Yeah, we're not gonna snap them in. We're just gonna. This one's a little bit harder to take off, but it still snaps right off. You just gotta use a little bit of force, but just gotta be a little gentle. They pop off.
Oh, that's so sick.
Oh my god. Makes my engine look brand new. That is amazing. Like, look at the difference. Wow, these are just, oh my god. These are beautiful, man.
Big difference.
That is insane. What's up? Welcome. We're out here at Tyler's house hanging out. We got all of our cars here. We're actually working on the Golf R today. So we're getting it ready for Dubs at the Gap. Andrew's probably going to be taking it down. I'm going to be taking the RS4. But we got some BC Racing coilovers here. We have, and this thing's pretty sweet. So this is actually an OEM Mark III European TT short shift kit. So this is literally what it came with stock. So you can see the Audi logo on it, which is cool. Obviously fits all the MQB cars, you know, like the Golf R, GTI, stuff like that. So we're gonna put this on, so just give me like 20% shorter throws. We got the Torque Solutions shifter bushings, so they're gonna go on here. I actually have shifter linkage bushings, so these are the bushings for the actual cable. So we're gonna hook those onto there before we put that on. And then we're gonna do a full oil change. So we got some liquid moly gens there. Got all that. I'm wearing my FCP Euro shirt. Got most of this stuff from there. All right. So we got BC Racing coilovers for the Mark 7 MQB platform. These ones are specifically for the Golf R and the A3 because I think the front struts are a little bit longer. I forget what the inches are, but a GTI is going to take a different set, but still all BC. So these ones are actually cool because they have camber plates and everything already basically built in. So we're gonna be able to set the camber and stuff like that.
I'll never look that clean again.
Yeah, man. Adjustable dampening, all that as well. So shout out to BC, making some cool stuff here. So yeah, they even come with end links, which is nice. So new front end links, which when we were doing Carly's coilovers, we had an issue with that, so we had to cut them. But yeah, we got brand new ones here. But yeah, these are really nice looking, so this is gonna be sweet. Gonna help it on the track a lot, make it a little lower, and you know, finally get that thing looking how it should.
Nice.
And then we're gonna throw on a set of track wheels. So we got some VWR racing line wheels. So these are super cool on Potenza RE71Rs. So these need cleaned a little bit, but we're gonna throw these on. So getting the car ready for basically Dubs at the Gap and for Fastavis next month. I already have a bunch of little things done, but this is gonna kind of set it off next level. And then we can race it in STU class for autocross, which would be sweet too. So that's what we're doing today. Gonna get her low.
Let's get to work.
Get low. So we're putting the coilovers on, the BC Racing coilovers. We just took out the old stuff. So I'm not gonna go over every part, but obviously got the old springs and everything there. So yeah, basically
They are ready to go in.
yeah, these are ready to go in. We tied this up with some bungee cord because it's really heavy. So we got all the screws, everything in place. So yeah, basically we're just gonna put this in here, hook that all up, use the new sway bar end links that we got, and put everything back together. So it's basically what we're doing now. So I think we'll do a little video of us kind of putting this stuff in, because the taking everything apart is the least fun part, and that took a while. But now that we have all that out, get to put these in, and that's where it starts to get exciting. So.
Coilovers are on the Mark 7. We're gonna go take the first test drive. We got Eric and Andrew in the car.
Alright, good.
Nice functional ride height. We'll see how it goes on the first test drive. Yeah, they come back from the first test drive. How'd the test drive go, guys?
Feels good.
Feels good. How's the rubbing?
Sharp turns, slight bit of rubbing, but you know, these are pretty aggressive track tire setups, so I mean, you're gonna have that. You're gonna have that on these big jobs. Yeah, no, she felt really good. No issues, but yeah, no, it feels really good. I think it's gonna be awesome. So I think we raised it just enough. We'll see more of it at Dubs at the Gap.
Good stuff.
Cool.
And now we're gonna look at the chaos from this weekend and all the projects.
Not an actual
The amount of projects that happened this weekend. We got boxes, all kinds of stuff going on. Stock tires, we got coilover boxes, we had oil changes. Get this all cleaned up and start packing for Dubs. So here we are, Tuesday night. I just wrapped up detailing the A5. Full detail, just got to wrap up interior yet. Wheels were cleaned, insides of barrels, entire engine bay. Car is ceramic coated. I mean, she's ready to go. Don't mind the mess in the garage. We've had a lot happening this weekend, so got the tips all polished up. I haven't really showed it yet, but also got the carbon fiber spats attached here from ECS. I am really happy with these. I don't think video does this justice. This is one of those mods that, you have to see it in person. But yeah, really happy with, everything and how it's come out. I got the strut tower brace on here from ECS. Again, the lighting isn't great here in the garage, but brace is on, engine cover, everything in here, ceramic coated. Got the billet caps from ECS, R8 oil cap. We're ready for Dubs at the Gap weekend. We got the cruise on Saturday. I'm sure the car will get a bit dirty, and then show on Sunday. Weather's looking great, so just gotta, like I said, wrap up the cleaning of the interior, and we'll be all set. Start packing over the next few days and get ready to go.
Out here at West Point Auto Works, probably the best place in Pittsburgh to get stuff done to your car. We're getting Carly's wheels and tires put on. So there's her wheels, there's her tires. Getting an alignment for the Golf. So yeah, gonna go grab some food, but yeah, good spot there. Always highly recommended. These guys do a great job. So we'll see what everything looks like when we're done. Got the Golf R up on the rack right now. Getting the alignment. Golf getting the alignment all taken care of. New wheels.
Go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life.